Love you?
No, love you.
What? What's up, y'all? It's me. Honestly, I have not been feeling, I don't know what it is, but I honestly just don't want to be here at the moment. But I'm gonna vlog today, sort of, kind of, not really, but I'm just gonna start picking up my camera and just like recording, because like I feel like that'll make me feel better. But today's to-do list, I have to pluck my aunt's wig for her, which I did a little earlier, but I feel like it needs a bit more. Yeah, it's giving 30 inches. Stop playing. Stop playing. But yeah, I have to pluck her wig for her. I might clean it. I don't know. I'm not really feeling it. It's raining outside. Like, it's freaking, it's 11:11. Like, I need some energy. Like, I have no energy right now. Go to work at 4, so I might just like take a nap before I go to work. Later I'm going to be babysitting, so we're gonna vlog that. I don't really know, guys. I really don't. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna do my hair and stuff early for work. You wanna say hi?
Hello.
No? Okay. But yeah, I'm
Hello.
come on, come say.
Hello.
Who you on the phone with? Like,
Hello.
Excuse me, sir. Who you on the phone with?
Hello.
Don't touch.
My
For
name
work. It's two,
and the new
Drea, pick a color.
baby.
Pick a color.
Rainbow.
Blue?
Yeah.
Hair and stuff for work. It's 2:34. He picked blue, so I changed it to blue. But yeah, I might have to take an Uber to work, because my mom is gonna pick up my aunties from the airport, so I'm gonna take an Uber to work. That's why I'm doing all this now, just in case. So yeah, I think I'm gonna crimp my hair today, because you know I'm just not feeling it. But yeah, and I'm gonna do makeup today because I feel like caca. Yes, I'm making a YouTube video and TikTok at the same time. TikTok gonna be posted before the YouTube video, but that is fine. But it's 2:44 and I gotta be leaving this house by 3:30. If I'm not back by 3:20 something, maybe like 3. I'm gonna give her until 3:30 actually. And if she's not back by then I have to leave. So I'm finished with this side, you know? How does it look? Who, me? Who, me? Anyways, it's 2:48, so I'm like on good time. I'm gonna spray this with some spritz from far away though, but not like too close, you feel me? So like it touches it, but not like actually touch it, because it's like gonna make the hair hard. So yeah. Oh, this is the spritz I'm using. You know, if you watch my wig tutorial, then you know. So yeah, it's 2:53. I'm almost finished, but I still have to do my makeup, and I like to concentrate on my makeup because it's like literally like concealer, and I have to concentrate on it so I don't look like too light under my eyes. But I'm kind of moving fast with my hair, but not that fast, but a little fast, but not that fast. But yeah, Okay, y'all, I think I'm on good timing because it's about to be 3 o'clock. You know, I got one more piece left after this one. You feel me? You feel me? I don't think this side's gonna look how this side looks, but you know, we can always make it work. This is my hair. This is how it looks.
Bro, get off.
So I just fixed my edges. Now I have to remember, like, I remember I got mom's location so I can see where she's at. Well, I guess we'll just see where she's at by 3:30, and if she's not here, then I'm Ubering to work. Uber everywhere. Anyways, I'm about to do my face.
No.
Not W. Love you.
No.
Love you.
No, love you.
What?
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
No.
Stop.
No.
You don't love me?
No.
You like my hair?
Yeah.
You like my hair? Get up, move. Move, man. Move, man. I'm trying to get ready for work, man. It's 3:10. I got 20 minutes, man. Get off me, man. Okay. This is what we're working with. It's 3:14. I'm gonna go put on my work clothes now. My sister just checked my mom's location, and she's at the airport, and it's 3:21. So guess who's Ubering to work? This girl. For sure. For sure, for sure. Honestly, I love this shirt, honestly. And my hair today, it's really cute. So I'm gonna go work. I have to wear this at work. And I was thinking about putting it in my hair today, but I was like, I just did my hair. I'm not putting this in my hair. No. No, ma'am. So we're gonna put it on my hip. My grandma's calling me. Hello? Huh?
You guys okay up there?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Hey.
All right, bye.
Bye. It is 3:23, so I'm gonna put on my accessories. I do have matching earrings because I can't find the other ones, so I'm gonna go get them. First of all, I need some lotion. Okay, this is Gucci. Bangles, matching earrings because I lost one. This here. Jewelry. I would usually put on my Apple Watch, but I didn't charge it, so yeah. This is the jewelry. You got the matching earrings. Don't talk about it. 326. This is me, final product. My shoes are by the door. My purse is up there. Nothing much, you feel me? So yeah. This might be no, it's not. But I'll let y'all make it up work. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. Don't talk about my scenery. I'm sitting in the closet. Yes, I got my body on. But I was real cute. I was real cute. People at my job was like, "Oh my god, you look so cute today." I was like, "Thank you, thank you." So I'm not babysitting. It's up there. But it's 10:48. Look at that. Hold on. 10:48. I was supposed to get off at 9 o'clock. I got off at like 10 something, which is fine. I know you're even recording while you talking. Like, he's so rude. Anyways, but yeah. I'm not babysitting 2 kids anymore. I'm babysitting 1. He's already sleeping, which I love because I gotta work tomorrow and I gotta work double. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. I know it's boring, but I'm just getting started. You feel me? Just getting started. I'm gonna get out my work clothes, take a shower, and eat some food that I got from my job. But I know I'm not tripping. I know my phone just vibrated and I felt it on my foot. So where did the vibration come from? But yeah.